Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to upgrade a flight on KLM. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in klm.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to KLM if you haven't already done that, of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the home, my trip, check-in and information. In the top right corner, we have, of course, everything about your profile. And in the middle of the screen, it book a flight, of course, the option in the very middle, as I told you. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and upgrade a flight on KLM. So first of all, find your upcoming flights and click on Manage Booking or My Trip, which is here, as you can see, the second tab in the top left corner. And you'll have your booking here. I don't have it because I don't have any bookings, unfortunately, at the moment. Then look for the option to upgrade your flight. This is usually found under a section like Upgrade or Manage Seats. Select a new seat you prefer from the available options in the Premium Comfort class or Business class. Follow the prompts to confirm and pay for the upgrade. You can also upgrade your flight while using an online or self-service kiosk at the airport, even after you've checked in. You can also keep an eye out for last-minute upgrade offers during or after check-in. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.